architect to bring digital plans to life. Imagine a fleet rolling out across the red dust. Some might look like rovers. Scoops dig and gather soil. Drills break up hard ground. Close up, regolith, the loose Martian soil. They dig up this material and transport it to a central processing unit. A stationary robot takes the soil. It uses intense heat, or enormous pressure, to sinter the material into dense, strong bricks. This process, in situ resource utilization, is the key to building on Mars. The first structures the robots will build are the most important, the habitats. These will be the home's laboratories. Using bricks made from Martian soil, robots will construct thick-walled shelters likely partially buried underground for extra radiation and micrometeorite protection. The AI will design them to be completely airtight, holding a breathable atmosphere. More than huts, sophisticated living spaces, areas for sleeping, working, relaxing, a true home away from home. But a Martian base needs more than houses. It needs infrastructure. After habitats, robots build roads. They won't be paved with asphalt like Earth. Robots might melt the surface to make a hard, glassy path. Or they might compact the soil for easier travel. Roads connect buildings into a small Martian town. They will also build landing pads for spacecraft. One of the most exciting projects? Greenhouses. Humans need a sustainable food source. This incredible technology, the partnership between a brilliant AI and a team of tireless robots, is what will make our Mars dream a reality. It's a beautiful example of how we can use technology not just to make our lives easier on Earth, but to push the boundaries of human existence itself. By sending these robotic pioneers ahead of us, we are taking a smart and safe approach to space exploration. We are ensuring that when the first astronauts arrive on Mars, they won't be landing in a hostile, empty wilderness. They will be arriving at a pre-built outpost, a beacon of safety and hope waiting for them. The vision for Mars is one of optimism. It's a message that says even the greatest challenges can be overcome with creativity and collaboration. Not just structures. The foundation of a new